To achieve and maintain the leading positions on the international market of nuclear power plant construction, it is required to introduce new design and construction systems and to optimize interaction between nuclear power plant construction
Dear audience,
participants.
this work has not been paid for. All rights belong to Innovatica company.
Builder, supplier and operator are united into one information space by means of new software tools. Development of a database named Electronic Catalog of Equipment and Materials for Nuclear
Dear
Power
audience,
Plants.
this work has not been paid for. All rights belong to Innovatica company.
This information space. The Electronic Catalog is an innovative software product made by joint stock company NIAEP to the order of the group company Rosenergo-Atom for the following purposes: to introduce into the industry the uniform requirements to the format and scope of technical description of all the products manufactured and supplied by enterprises for nuclear power plants. To obtain, without delay, structured technical information on
Dear audience, this work has not been paid for. All rights belong to Innovatica company.
And manufacturers. To manage procurement and supplies of products for nuclear power plants at all their life cycle stages. The main principles of development of the electronic catalog. Enterprises shall enter data on their products themselves. Every product item shall have maximally full and uniform description clear both to designers and manufacturers.
Dear audience, this work has not been paid for. All rights belong to Innovatica company.
Available for all design and engineering companies of the industry. Data once filled in shall allow to be used many times. In accordance with the assignment of joint stock company Rosenergo-Atom, the database of the catalog is implemented in the form of a web portal, consisting of two parts: access to the public part of the portal, information site of the catalog.
Dear audience, this work has not been paid for. All rights belong to Innovatica company.
With free access through the internet for all the enterprises wishing to become suppliers for the state corporation Rosatom and industrial users. The information on the catalog site contains main goals and objectives of development of the catalog, a list of partners, suppliers for the nuclear industry, actual bill of materials for new nuclear power plant construction projects.
Dear audience, this work has not been paid for. All rights belong to Innovatica company.
The site also contains contact details of the workers of the NIAEP Verification Center to help to individually solve any arising questions. Access to the private part of the portal, to the catalog database, organized for enterprises and users, to be accessed through a login and password on the site catalog.rosenergoatom.ru.
Dear audience, this work has not been paid for. All rights belong to Innovatica company.
And documentary confirmation of status. The catalog data model structure enables to enter, store and display different interrelated types of data in a structured form. The big structural modules are: database containing description of manufactured specimen products, a register of cards filled in according to the product description standard for each manufactured specimen product, containing general product description, individual technical and performance features, transport and storage conditions, history of supplies to nuclear facilities, etc. Database containing technical and design
Dear audience, this work has not been paid for. All rights belong to Innovatica company.
It includes technical specifications, operating manuals, technical data sheet, drawing, compliance certificates, production license, etc. Database containing 3D models, product 3D model.
Dear audience, this work has not been paid for. All rights belong to Innovatica company.
Complete attributive description of weight, dimensions and connection points for nozzles serving area geometry. Database containing potential contractors, a list of registered manufacturers and suppliers with their legal and banking details and data on a range of products which they produce or supply. A special department.
Dear audience, this work has not been paid for. All rights belong to Innovatica company.
Technical support for the catalog databases and checks all the data filled in by enterprises for the compliance with the product standard description, and also for availability of technical and design documentation.
Dear audience, this work has not been paid for. All rights belong to Innovatica company.
Suppliers of products for nuclear power plant, engineering companies and nuclear power plant operator. Nuclear power plant owner is a company which places nuclear power plant construction orders, manages construction budget and schedule, and makes an assessment of the quality of the equipment and materials used during operation of the facilities. By using the catalog database,
Dear audience, this work has not been paid for. All rights belong to Innovatica company.
And material market. Information on potential manufacturers and suppliers of various products. Data on current and historical cost of various products. Information on the level and scope of equipment localization by manufacturing countries and manufacturers.
Dear audience, this work has not been paid for. All rights belong to Innovatica company.
From design to operation on the basis of uniform regulations and formats of technical data exchange between all the nuclear plant life cycle participants. Nuclear plant product suppliers are companies offering their products for nuclear facilities and placing information on their products into the catalog database. By using the catalog, the suppliers will have a platform
Dear
to promote
audience,
their products,
this work has not been
and a
paid
shop
for.
window
All rights belong
advertise
to
new types of
Innovatica
equipment.
company.
Easier communication with engineering companies when the latter select equipment for new projects and hold tenders. Smaller risks related to failure to pass technical qualification of their offer because of non-compliance of equipment technical documentation with the requirements. The electronic catalog provides companies with information on bills of materials.
Dear audience,
generated
this
in
work
the
has not
nuclear
been paid
projects
for.
before the
All
tender
rights
is
belong
held,
to
so
Innovatica
that they
company.
could prepare offers on time, and also provides information on the nuclear standard of product technical description. Engineering companies are designers and builders of new nuclear facilities. By using the catalog, the engineering company will have comprehensive, structured information on products manufactured on the nuclear product market, including
Dear
the
audience,
accompanying
this work has not
documents
been
and
paid for.
also the possibility
All
of
rights belong to
pre-selection and usage
Innovatica
of the
company.
products, matching the main technical parameters in the design. Reduced time for release of design documentation due to automatic transfer of data on selected products into the design systems integrated with the catalog. The opportunity of automatic and formal communication with registered companies when requesting for additional data on products to assess them for use in next projects. Nuclear power plant operator is a company operating a nuclear power plant.
Dear audience, this work has not been paid for. All rights belong to Innovatica company.
Including complete electronic library with up-to-date technical documentation, and will be able to communicate directly with the equipment manufacturers. All the participants in nuclear power plant construction and operation are united into one information space and use the electronic catalog, which
Dear
helps to
audience,
formalize
this
and
work has not been paid
standardize many
for.
production
All rights
processes
belong to
in the
Innovatica
industry
company.
and to simplify the rules of interaction between the participants. It all results in saving time on production operations and minimizes human-related error risk. The catalog enables to obtain managerial information to assess the level of satisfying the demands
Dear
of the
audience,
project by each
this work has not been paid
manufacturing
for.
country through the
All
equipment
rights belong to
localization tool.
Innovatica company.
Use of the localization tool implemented in the catalog. These tools are being developed and improved while the catalog is being filled in with data on equipment supply history and operation. The concept of following up
Dear
the
audience,
equipment
this work
through
has
its
not been
life
paid
cycle
for.
by using
All
the
rights
electronic
belong to
catalog brings
Innovatica
a
company.
great advantage for the nuclear industry and a qualitative leap for its development. The use of the electronic catalog enables to adopt accurate decisions on the basis of analysis of accumulated information on products and suppliers. To
Dear
reduce time
audience,
and labor
this work has not
input
been
due
paid
to
for.
automatic
All rights
processing
belong
and
to
exchange of
Innovatica
technical
company.
data, and to manufacture and supply equipment in strict compliance with design requirements.